Daddy Muggle, I have a question for you. What is travel for you?
Probably unknown. Traveling is unknown to me. When you sit in a car, you have like a directions where to go. That doesn't mean you're gonna go there, you're gonna have a wonderful time, you're gonna see everything like in a picture. No. It's unknown. When you go there with the like wishing for a new adventure. And with that adventure you can find some weird random stuff like rain and mud and all of this stuff, but you soak it in. If it's raining, enjoy it. If it's muddy, let's get muddy, doesn't matter. That's what is traveling to me. If it's unknown and experience adventure.
Hello, my Muggle friends! Today you will see an episode Water, Water and Water!
Gather, we gather, near and far we gather, the grand
Boys, tell me, why you like traveling?
Because explore new things and new countries, like driving good cars and stuff.
But you're not driving.
Why is Augustus climbing that? What?
Why I like traveling? Travel, it's all my life. Wake up in the morning, go to sleep in the night time. I like it new things. I like it new languages, new views, new feelings. And my life is like I think some travel, it's life. If you're not traveling, you're not living.
Every single day is gonna be a good day. Day with you, ooh, with you, with you, ooh, with you, with you, ooh, with you, with you, ooh. Let me see what it looks like through your beautiful eyes, colors collide. I just wanna see what you see. Sun on skin, a twist of lemon, pink on lips like watermelon. I just want a taste of heaven. So let me know, 'cause I know every single day is gonna be a good day. Every single day is gonna be a good day. Day with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Sun on skin, a twist of lemon. I just wanna taste of heaven. Every single day is gonna be a good day. Every single day is gonna be a good day with you. I love the way you look in the morning. Sunlight hitting you just right. As day breaks and the clouds start forming, I know you and I will be alright. I hope time is on our side. Won't let the moment slip away. Oh, how I love this life. You are all I've ever needed. It's the little things you do that add on up. Oh, the colors in you reflect in the room, bouncing off the walls with the sun shining through.
In the Wells today, raining. Very, very big fog. But it's nice. Nice traveling. Spend time together with family. It's like meditation, you know? When you all spend time at work, school, and now all family members come back at home, of course tired, and we together, walking, we laughing. It's really, traveling is like meditation. You enjoy it, you try something new, something different. You're walking in the wild, and it's so nice.
Come and tell me your words so bittersweet. I'll kiss you in the moonlight. I'll hold you till you're safe at home. I wanna see your nightmares. I wanna say you're not alone. Don't you know it? Don't you know it? You don't gotta hide. Let me know you. Let me know you. Wanna see inside every good, every bad note. You're the melody of my summer nights. Don't you know it? Don't you know it? You don't gotta hide. Let me know you.
Time for breakfast!
Wanna see inside every good, every bad note. You're the melody of my summer nights. So keep on singing. I've got my demons. I don't wanna keep trying to shove them down. Let's trade a secret.
So, how you feeling?
All I'm trying to do is know you more.
I'm wet, I'm cold, and happy.
Let me know you, let me know you. Wanna see inside every good and every bad note. You're the melody of my summer nights. Don't you know it, don't you know it? You don't gotta hide. Let me know you, let me know you. Wanna see inside every good.
My fellow friends, thank you for watching this video. I know you like travel as well. Not stay at home, travel, exploring the world. And happy like ours, like Muggle. Thank you. See you later.